Travis.
That's not.
No. I'll take care of that. And you take care of the noodles. What are you making?
Noodle.
What kind of noodles?
It's chicken noodles, soup noodles.
No.
Yes.
It's spaghetti, I thought. Who are you making it for?
For Grandma.
Ah.
There.
Okay, are you going to let it sit?
Yes. Ew.
Okay. What?
It's ready.
How much longer?
Did you buy this?
Yeah,
Where?
at the store. How much longer?
$13 for this?
No, how much more minutes until it's done? Alright, put the spoon down.
I wanna.
Look at me, say, see ya.
Huh? No!